Good morning, kiddos, or good afternoon, whatever time of the day you are taking math. We are now on Module 1, Topic 3, Lesson 3, Activity 3.2. It says identify the triangles that are similar by the AA similarity theorem. Explain how you know the triangles are similar. So let's do number 1 together. So number 1 says line CD is parallel to line GH. So we are going to go ahead and identify what triangle it is first, okay? So let's go ahead and identify our first triangle. So we have triangle JHG. Some say triangle JHG is similar to triangle. If this is JHG, we have to follow that same pattern of boom, boom, boom. So we're going to say JDC. Okay? And then for us to know that they are similar, we know that our angles should be congruent, right? So let's look at it. We should have angle J congruent to angle J. And they're the same angle, so we already know that they are congruent, right? We have angle H, and it's going to be congruent to angle D. Then we have angle G, and angle G is going to be congruent to angle C. Now, if you want to verify if they're congruent, feel free to pull out a protractor and do those verifications. If you do not have one, feel free to pull out patty paper, trace over angle G, and pair it up with angle C and see if it's the same. I would like for you to do 2, 3, and 4 by yourselves. Come back and check with me in about 5 minutes to see if you got the correct answers. All right, guys, welcome back. So I am going to say that triangle ZBY is similar to ZBY is similar to XWV. Yes? And if you have something else, you can have that VYZ is similar to VWX. Like, it doesn't matter where you start as long as your pattern is the same. Yes? And we could say angle Z and X. Angle Z is congruent to angle X. Angle V is congruent to angle W. Angle Y is congruent to angle V. Yes? Moving right along. For number 3, I got triangle TMR is congruent. It's similar to triangle TNS. Angle T is congruent to angle T. M is congruent. I'm not going to continue to write these out for sake of time, y'all. M is congruent to angle N, and R is congruent to angle S. For the last one, I know that this one posed more of a challenge. PQR. So we have PQR is our first triangle. And then we have is similar to QRS. Okay? Not QRS, QSR. And then again, P is congruent to Q, Q is congruent to S, and R is congruent to R, okay? And that is the end of that one. I will catch you on the next one.